Okay, if you call it the last problem, I did it like two different ways, and I'm gonna do this one different than what's in the key. And what I'm gonna do over here is I'm gonna look at the second equation and solve that for either y or x. I'm gonna solve it for, let's see, y. What would you get over here? You would get minus 28 over x. And then I'm gonna substitute into the first equation. What would that give you? X plus 28 over x equals 11. Then what I'm going to do is multiply both sides by x. You get x squared plus 28 equals 11x. I'm going to get that to equals 0, so I can use the zero product rule. Minus 11x plus 28 equals 0. X and x. 7 and 4. Minus minus. X equals 4 or x equals 7. So I'm going to write this down 4. And I want to point out, where I would plug it in, I'd actually plug it in here because it's easiest for me to do that. You would get minus 7 for the y. You know what? Let me make that neater. And the other one I got was 7, right? And what would I get there? Again, if I plug it in over here, you get minus 4. So let's look at the k. Am I seeing that? Yeah, I'm seeing that too. And what I want to do is I also want to make sure you understand we provide a graph for you. And the graph, hopefully you're seeing those 2 points of intersection as well. And what are the points of intersection? As we said, 7 minus 4. Again, if you want to, you can use a rule to verify that. And this one over here is 4 minus 7. All right? Answers that we're clearly listing for you. All right? What are you seeing over there? You're seeing a line intersecting that curve twice. That curve, by the way, is a curve of hyperbola. Thank you. Oh, before I go, let me remind you. I know I do it maybe too often, but I'll remind you again. My email address is Bannon, B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. Why would you reach out to me? If you have a question or concern related to improving the document, I'd love to hear from you. Thank you.